I am about to tour our newest listing, which is at 220 US 80 in Ellabell. It's about 7 miles from the Hyundai plant. It has a beautiful porch here that wraps all the way around the front, down both sides. Screen doors, you come in. Nice foyer area. Over to the left, we have a coat closet. Then this way is our formal dining room. Stairs. On this side, it goes into the large living area. It has a wood-burning fireplace. This also has double doors here, has access to the back porch. Then this is a breakfast area leading into the kitchen. We do have a closet over here under the stairs. And then we have a nice set of cabinets here, plenty of extra space to use as pantry space. Off of the kitchen, we have another closet that could also be used for pantry or anything. Next to that is going to be the laundry room, and it does have cabinets, and it has access to the outside. This goes to the screen porch area. Across from the laundry room is a full bath, and it also has a closet here. And then between these two spaces, this leads down into the flex space. It does have its own entrance to the outside, so this would be perfect for really anything. You could use it for a playroom, an office, since it has the separate entrance, or whatever you may need, little shop. It also opens up right to the 1-car garage. There's also another section that's detached that has 3-car garage, so total of 4 altogether. And then we'll head on back through the kitchen, and we'll take a look upstairs. And in the home, it is all original hardwoods throughout everywhere, even in the places that you see carpet. The hardwoods are underneath. The only place that has vinyl is out in the extra bonus space that we saw. So we have a closet here, and then a guest bedroom. There's another closet here, leading to our next guest bedroom. And then on down the hallway, we have a guest bath that does have the double sinks, tub shower combo. And then on this way, we have the 3rd bedroom. And then last, we have the primary suite. This is the walk-in closet. Double sinks in here as well. Water closet. Nice jetted tub. Beautiful view from this tub of the backyard and over at the little fenced-in area for the horses that does connect to the barn. And then the shower. I'm picking back up at the kitchen to kind of step outside really quickly, show you the screen porch area that does lead there to the laundry room. This goes into the backyard. There's our real estate helpers today. And then show you where this wraps around. That's the doors there to the living room. Porch wraps all the way around back to the front of the house. Over this way is where the barn is located. Total of 8 acres on this property. Little playhouse. And over this way is where the garage is. So you've got the 3-car garage over this way.